Keep going, keep going.
I'm Sean. How y'all doing today? Good?
Good, yeah.
We also have David here. We have Jay around the corner. We're going to be your tour guides today. Just in case you're not sure what you kind of signed up for, what we're going to be doing with you is bringing you through the foothills of the rainforest. We're going to be going through some water puddles, climb up and down a couple of mountains. We stop at the river. You guys can go for a nice swim, even jump off some rocks if you want to. So it's going to be a really fun time. Of course, while we're driving the ATVs, we do have a little bit of rules to follow just to make sure you guys are safe out there. Every time I start, the bird goes crazy. Every time. It's either that or the horses. I used to have a donkey that did the same thing. And place the entire thumb on the throttle almost to your palm. That way, with finger and thumb together, you can slowly press it in to accelerate, slowly take it out to slow down. The more steady your pressure, the more control, and the more comfortable your ride's going to be, so keep that in mind.
For wedding celebrations and for divorces. For divorces, they will grab a bigger stone and throw them at each other. Right. Also, they used to mix it with saffron. It will last on the skin a lot longer. And they also used to use it for mosquito repellent and sunblock. They will cake it on real thick, protect it from the sun and mosquito bites.
Gonna have a whole tribe today.
It's good.
Yeah.
We're going to pick it in there with you.
Seems there's not going to be any rocks to do it on. Oh, they're all so soft now. I mean, flat.
Yeah.
Here we go, man.